Hey, 30-minute marketers. In today's quick video, we're going to be talking about copyright-free images, and to show you where to get those, we're going to be taking a look at Pexels.com. But before we do that, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, be sure to click on the link in the description and in the pinned first comment. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. So let's get focused on images and let's hop over to Pexels.com. Pexels.com. The best free stock photos and videos shared by talented creators. Very simply, they have a search bar right here where you can search for a number of images. So let's say, for example, we were doing a blog on chickens. We would simply just type in chickens, and look at there. You have a whole bunch of pictures about chickens. And of course, if you want to download that image, you click on the image and you'll see right here that you can download it for free, and you can choose the size right here, and you would go ahead and you would select your size, let's say medium, and you would say free download. You'd say here, say thanks to Artem, our creator. So you can donate, you can say thanks on Twitter or Instagram by sharing, and of course if you wanted to link to it, you can copy the link right here, but that's not required. And the reason that this is not required is due to the Pexels.com license. So if we click on the license right here, you'll hop over here and you'll see that Pexels has laid out the license, and they call it legal simplicity. All photos on Pexels can be used for free. What is allowed? All photos on Pexels are free to use. Attribution is not required. Giving credit to the photographer or Pexels is not necessary, but always appreciated. You can modify the photos, be creative, and edit the photos as you like. So it tells you right here how to go ahead and how to tell your story with images, and how you can use those here on your website, printed materials, promoting your products, share on social media, etc., etc. But then they also tell you what is not allowed, which is very important to pay attention to, because as it says right here, you want to respect the hard work of the contributors and keep these restrictions in mind. Identifiable people may not appear in bad light or any way. Don't sell unaltered copies of photos. Don't sell it as stock photo. Post or print. Don't imply endorsement of your products by people or brands in the image. That goes towards trademarks, such things specifically like social media. So if you were to get a picture that has Facebook or Twitter, say, you need to make sure that you understand the implications of using that, as that image may be copyrighted not by Pexels, but due to the fact that it is showing a trademarked brand. All right, then they have another restriction here: don't redistribute or sell the photos on other stock photo or wallpapers. And then of course they have some other things here, like over at the frequently asked questions. You should make sure you go through all these questions so you know exactly what you need to know about using Pexel images to protect you and your brand, as well as Pexels.com and the creators. So you just want to make sure that you go through here and you read. And one piece of additional information that I wanted to cover also is that Pexels is not just images, it also has videos. If you pop over to Pexels.com, of course all the links that I talk about here in this video will be in the description, so check that out. But if you click here on Pexels.com/videos, you will be able to pop over here, and you'll see here that they have the best free stock videos shared by Pexels community. And as you can see, it's the same kind of thing. If we were doing chickens, let's just see if they have some videos of chickens, and of course they do. So then of course if you want to download that, it would be the exact same thing, free download. And as you can see right here, they have the original size, but they also have it in smaller sizes as well. So HD and standard, high definition, standard definition, things like that. And of course you can join Pexels right here, and the reason you'd want to join is if you want to create your own collection. As you can see right here, if you were to click on this plus button to set up your own collection, you can join Pexels by joining with Facebook, or enter your information here, first name, email, password. You can leave this check, and of course you will join their email list, and it says they're going to send you 40 exclusive photos to your inbox. And of course that'll let you build collections, and so you can save them for future reference. As you find them, you can just highlight them and collect them there inside of Pexels.com. One thing I would say about the images, once we downloaded that chicken image, you can see right here that that image is actually a JPEG image. So let me bring that into the screen here. You can see in the viewer that is a .jpeg. One thing you need to understand if you're using these specifically on your website or your blog is you need to understand the use case for images such as JPEG and PNG. Now, to get into the reasons why this matters, you need to understand about image compression and compare JPEG images and PNG images side by side. And of course, this is over at thrivethemes.com, and I will leave a link so you can read all about this and how that works, so you can make the correct decision if you're using these free images or other free images, which I have other videos here on the channel. Check out the playlist about images. Again, link in the description. And with that, I will say that that is Pexels.com, where you can get copyright free images. Just make sure you check out their license. And of course, if you would like to learn how to use these images, if you are ready to start your own online business, go ahead and check out that link in the description and in the pinned first comment for an effective, efficient, simple, step-by-step blueprint where you can start your own online business today. And with that, you'll be seeing the 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that to subscribe to the channel. Check out the other awesome videos here on the end screen. And that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.